What's nice about doing these 4 solid repairs is they don't have to go into a full re-roof replacement yet. We can go ahead and extend the life of this roof, doing repairs the right way, ensuring that their building is watertight. Alex here with Perez Roofing. Today we're repairing a commercial roof in North Natomas. The roof was installed about 15 years ago. It's not ready for a full replacement, but it does need some attention to ensure we can keep this building watertight. These issues go unnoticed and the building property owners don't know until the roof is leaking. Doing inspections is the key to ensure that you don't get damage inside your building. What we do to repair this roof is we take a minimal of an 8x10, 10x10, 15x15 area to ensure that we're focusing on the repair and not just throwing a quick band-aid over the leak area. We want to make sure that all the material around the TPO is bonding, everything's welded to ensure where you're getting all your water flow, it's 100% welded, ensuring it's a long-term protection repair. We're using the correct fasteners to ensure that the TPO membrane is sealed properly, it's attached properly, and we're using heat welders to ensure that everything's welded and watertight. Now that these 4 areas are repaired the right way, the property owner now has peace of mind that his building will be watertight for the next several years. And this is why it's key to do routine roof inspections to ensure there's no hidden damage to your building. If you own or manage a property commercial building and you haven't done any routine checkups, give us a call at 916-910-5542 or alexperezroofing.com to ensure your building is as watertight as it gets.